I'm here right now in Araneta City. People are busy watching a Gilas Pilipinas versus Angola play. But while doing that thing, there's some kind of burning in here. So there's some kind of burning lights. And I think it has been pacified. So take a look, guys and gals, here in Araneta City. Busy people, and they are very excited to watch the Gilas Pilipinas.